how to use Gamestop gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can use your Gamestop gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to use your Gamestop gift card online, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is just go to gamestop.com, log into your account and add the products that you want to buy to your cart. So you have to redeem your gift card during the checkout process. So all you have to do is tap the cart icon over here, review the products that you've added to your cart, and then just go to checkout. Once you go to the checkout process, again you'll find these options. Now here you'll be able to see the product details, and if you scroll down under payment, you'll find the option called add gift card or trade-in credit. Now you can also enter your credit card or debit card details as you normally would, or you can tap on add gift card option here, and as you do that, all you have to do is make sure to enter your gift card number, tap on the pin option, tap on apply, and your gift card will get successfully applied. This way you can go ahead and then basically use your Gamestop gift card online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.